Have you ever had a nail in your tire and you had to get it repaired? Who hasn't? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. So when you are at the service center describing the problem with your vehicle, it's important to accurately inform the service writer of the location of that tire that needs to be repaired, or any other repair that is needed. Now, it can be very puzzling because do I describe the location as I'm facing the vehicle? Or if I'm sitting in the car, what do I do? Well, the answer is to describe the location of the problem as if you're sitting in the vehicle. So the left side of the vehicle is actually referring to the driver's side. And then, of course, the right side of the vehicle is referring to the passenger side. Now, this will help with any confusion between you and the service writer. You don't want the technician looking for a possible nail in the wrong tire. Thank you for watching, and share the information with others so they aren't going to struggle when they're trying to describe to their service writer the location of the repair that is needed. Like us on Facebook, and remember, the next time you come in for any service, mention Kneble with a K and get 10% off your service. Thank you.